will say. It's already late. Okay, so she woke up few hours ago and she refused to sleep immediately. She refused to sleep back again. So I'm gonna do this video, then put her to bed. So guys, in case today is your first time of coming across my channel, thank you guys. I just want to appreciate the expression because you guys have been asking for ever since I started my breastfeeding video of a thing. So you know, I need to also make sure that Obiri is like, okay, you can do it, because Obiri is just like, no, they want to see it, no. But I will try as much as possible to make it in a way like it will be not that too. You understand what I'm trying to say, guys? Okay, so that is it. The video will be coming up maybe on Friday. Friday is supposed to be for my normal breastfeeding vlog. So guys, let's see before Friday. If Obi say yes, maybe I will show him the video. I edited it because the one that I was having to adjust to. So maybe with Obi, the way that I edit it, he can say, okay, just maybe that once. Okay. So guys, I appreciate everybody so far for making this dream to come true, for making the 6,000 subscribers to complete. I hit 2,000 subscribers before 12 midnight or so. I was just dancing, jubilating and everything. The next thing, I woke up, let me check if everything is still okay. I woke up, it was back to 5,980 something, almost 12 subscribers. I lost 12 subscribers. Guys, I was crying now because of that. And the 6K that I'm seeing now is not that, because I was just, wow, anytime I hit some certain number, it's always like that. People will just subscribe. Last time was 5,700 subscribers. I was just happy, saying thank you, appreciating people on my live stream. The next thing, people just left, they subscribed, and yeah, it was not nice. Almost all my, whenever I hit some certain number. Okay, so guys, you guys know whenever I'm on live video, I'm shooting videos, so then it's always like this. And this is somebody that I asked her to drink milk and she refused. So I'm going to use a lipstick to hold that down. This is the first thing to use on this video. So because of that, I was not that happy, because I was like, oh, it was not easy. I couldn't sleep. I was just like, what's up? I don't care what's happened. Why did they subscribe? 12 subscribers. Oh my God, why? Is it a good routine that beats down the one that I know? I don't know what to say. I was like, this is terrible. Many people, they don't even sleep. They're on my channel trying to know what is going on, so that if they can subscribe, they can subscribe. It's not nice. Once you subscribe to somebody, let it be there. Okay, so once you subscribe, that person will be feeling, oh, why? You know, those kind of thoughts, like you start thinking something. There is nothing like when people say confidence, self-confidence. Self-confidence is not about things like this, because these are people doing it for you. If I can give all the subscribers that I need to myself, I will do it, but I can't. It's you guys that are there to give it to me by subscribing. When I bring out video, there are some video that I'm not supposed to do, but I do it when they request for it. I do it. I watch a big YouTuber saying, when you have a certain viewer, they're always requesting for that video, do it. And when you do that video, do 1 or 2 video about it. It will help. So when people subscribe to you because of a certain things you are doing and you are no longer doing it, they won't subscribe. So that is why whenever I do video, if it's beauty routine, I try to bring more. If it's makeup, I try to bring more. So that is it. When it comes to handbag color makeup, all that thing, I have that makeup. That is the kind of makeup I've always been doing, like ever since I started makeup. And that is the kind of makeup I started makeup with, amber color, those yellow, orange, brown, with what they call it, amber color and everything. So these are the color that I've always been doing. So whenever I do things, I always try to do 1 or 2, 3 things to make sure is a full package, like complete. Okay, so guys, I appreciate the people unsubscribing. Please stop it. It's not nice. Okay, it's not nice. You make me, like, you give me sugar, the next thing you take away the sugar by giving me bitter leaf or bitter drink or whatever that is bitter. It's not nice. Like bitter lemon is not, because it will help to flush out your system and everything. Okay, so guys, I appreciate people that are subscribed so far. For the hand expression, you guys know, like, even till now you guys are still commenting it. Just okay, on Friday I will try as much as possible, and the video, whenever it comes in, I appreciate it the way it comes in, because I'm a mother, I'm a wife, and at the center I have a lot of people that are, oh, even the breastfeeding, they don't want me to do it. I'm just doing it. Okay, I have audience that, like, the audience of my breastfeeding is I don't even know. Whenever I drop breastfeeding video, I don't normally share to my Facebook. You will see 3,000 view, 4,000 view. People love watching things like that. They love it. I won't lie, they love it. But my family and everything, they are like, oh no, this is supposed to, you know, understand. So the hand expression video will be coming. I just want Obi to make sure, okay, fine, but just edit it a little bit. So I will make sure that I edit it in a way that Obi gonna kick against it, because I don't want Obi to be angry with me. And this social media recently, you guys know what I'll be passing through. So if I can close the YouTube, sometimes is always, for him is okay. Last time it was okay. If you think the monthly allowance that I'm giving to you is not that much, I can give you more than that. I will top it. I will top it then, so that this YouTube of a thing will just, but it's something that I love, guys. Imagine sitting down to talk to you guys 11. My husband is there watching ball. What I'm supposed to do now is just to go to social media and start watching other. You can see what I'm watching here. Makeup, or maybe there is news, a page that I normally follow. I'll just go there. Let me choose. Even there are a lot of videos they normally drop. I don't watch those videos because I got my mental health. I've been through a lot. I know how I was humiliated, bullied, and everything. I still decide to move on. I'm the kind of person that's supposed to take a revenge for long, but I'm not that kind of person. The more I'm trying to fight back, the more I'm hurting myself. The more I'm trying to fight back, the more I'm hurting myself. That's why whenever I have some people being hurt, I'm like, please just stop it. It's okay. Let it go. Because the more you are trying to fight all those things, like some trolls, internet trolls, all these haters, you are fighting yourself. They will steal your peace, and you yourself, you are trying to steal your peace when you try to defend or explain to the audience. Fine, the audience, they want to hear, but sometimes it's not that needed. The stress to bring video out, it's not easy, guys. The stress, being a mother, imagine having a 1-year-old baby. My baby, she don't even know when. Once I hold camera, Serena will start crying. Guys, I've done that like many times. I will just place my camera there. I just want to see that reaction. The next thing, she will start crying. I'm like, this baby, oh my God, well, she's just like a father. Once I hold my camera, Serena will just start crying. Sometimes the camera is not that is going on, it's off. I just want to see her reaction. She will start crying. So that is it. So whenever you see my video come, I appreciate it. It's not easy. It's something that I love to do, makeup, everything. So I'm doing this routine with you guys now, so that I have people, I have one of my mommy that need it. So that is what I want to do it. And in case she come across this video, she can easily learn from this video. You can see that she's playing with my lipstick just for her to allow me to do what I'm about to do. So the first thing to go for is this Roque Posay, or better still, I can use. I normally do use the two, but first of all, I'm going to use my Vicky Mega here. Okay, so guys, that is it. I hope this video helped. So when I saw the subscriber were just going down back, it was not nice. It was crazy, drastic. I don't know how to explain it. Like seeing it going down drastically. It was just so. Ooh. I was like, what happened? Why? I couldn't sleep last night, and that affects me. One, and today I went out to drop my daughter. Here in Italy we call it oratory. So first of all, I'm using my Vicky Mega. You can see it, okay? So I'm using it. So guys, contact Vicky Mega. Our contact is on my page. You can get it on my page. I've already watched my face, which I just decided to do it this way more for you guys, and I'm gonna do a special video for it. I just want to pass through this video to appreciate everybody who subscribe, and thank you so much for the 6,000 subscribers. This video will be coming up. I'm supposed to post a video, maybe another video, but this one will be for the appreciation. And people that are doing it, you are stealing, you are giving me sugar, and at the same time you take away the sugar. It's not nice. It's not nice, you understand? So the people that still make sure it's complete, guys, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you. One comment was like, oh, is the number they are disappearing is heartbreaking. Oh my God, I just cried. I couldn't sleep last night, so this way. So, and after taking my daughter to oratory, and I'm using my Sable Balance by Kiko. Okay, this is it. this is it. You guys can see I did a review for it when I unboxed it, when I went for the shopping family vlogs. Okay, you guys, I hope you can remember. So it's just a sable. This very thing helped me to stop acne. Okay, because you are suffering from acne, or whenever you exfoliate, it's good to exfoliate your face. Not only that, it's also good after exfoliating, you remove the dead skin. Okay, you know what that means. So always exfoliate your face. Use your hands to press out the dark spot. If you can go to where they can do it for you, Estetista, which is here in Italy, is very nice. If you can go, you can afford it, you can do it at home. Just sit down, take your mirror, exfoliate your face. It's always good once in a while you exfoliate. Almost every day I exfoliate because I don't like anything on my face. Once there is anything, the way I treat my pimples, once there is anything, I saw something that is not making me comfortable, I just gonna cut it. Once I cut it, I use this very well. That's just the cure to it. That is just the cure to it. Or better still, I use my Vicky Mega soap, the soap inside to scrub. I did it on my video before. Okay, so I use it to scrub, and after then I go with this one, or better still, I don't mix Rocher-Posay together, because this one is to stop itching in case of allergic. Okay, when you are allergic, you just use this. Just get these two products for allergic, for itchy. When your face is itchy, this Vicky Mega is just a face cleaner. Okay, just a face cleaner. It's not for allergic, so don't just go and buy it and think you still need all this product outside using organic products. Okay, you still need it very, very well. Okay, so that is it. Once you buy the organic, make sure you still have tonic. If the one of Rocher-Posay or the one of Kiko, one of it is okay, but I bought this one because I was having allergic itching whenever there is changes of weather. I normally do experience things like that, and this very one is just normal one that I've been using for years, which is everything to me. My love, I can't do without this sable. Just that they have changed it. It's not like before. Okay, Serena, stop it. So I think that one is okay now, for the video not to be more than maybe 14 minutes or so. So here is my Clinique. Okay, Sam, Serena, where is the... I can't find the carton right now because Serena wants to clean my bed with lipstick. So this is Clinique, guys. This is Clinique. Can you see that? This is Clinique face everyday face cream. This is it. I'm not going to rub my Vicky Mega. You can see my face is white and everything. So stop it, mama, stop it. I can use that one in the morning, then use this one to relax it, because this morning I use Vicky Mega. So I'm gonna use this very well right now. For the hands, I have cream for knuckles, but I don't use it. If you can use it, this is it. One is for the knuckles. Look at it. Okay, I have it, just not that much. You apply it back of your hands. Okay, just to make it soft and shiny. But this is summer. Once you are driving this summer, you don't even need to waste it. I won't lie, guys. Using it is just as if you are wasting it. Why did I say so? Or you will use it just in the night, like in the evening of it, after taking your bath. You can apply it. Okay, and apply it for a nice and a good result. Okay, but at the same time, in the morning, imagine driving out this hot sun with something like this. You are on a hot race. So that is it. You just thought this Serena needs to. So that is it, guys. Just apply it on your back of your hands, and that is it. No big deal about it. But during this summer, during the afternoon or morning, for me, it's not that too okay, because the sun is just too much. And I believe you enjoy watching this vlog right now. I appreciate you guys. In better video with a beautiful makeup would be nice for you guys. Okay, bye guys. I love you all. Still a girl, big PG,